Should pop-up drink stands hire seasonal workers? Yes, hiring seasonal workers is usually the smartest move for pop-up drink stands because it lets owners match their staffing to busy months without paying full-time wages during slow seasons. Think about a lemonade or juice stand that only gets busy from May through September. If the owner hired full-time staff all year long, they would be paying people to stand around during the cold months when nobody wants a cold drink. Seasonal workers solve that problem because you bring them on right before the rush and let them go once things slow down. What a lot of people do not realize is that many seasonal workers are actually looking for short-term gigs on purpose, like college students on summer break or retirees who want extra cash for a few months. That means the stand owner is not settling for leftover workers. They are actually tapping into a group of people who prefer this kind of schedule. Another thing most people miss is that seasonal hiring can be done through local schools, community boards, or even seasonal job fairs that pop up specifically for summer businesses. This approach keeps labor costs low while still giving customers fast and friendly service during the busiest times. One big thing to watch out for is training time, because seasonal workers need to learn the job fast, so a quick one-page training sheet with pictures can save a ton of headaches. Another important point is scheduling conflicts, since many seasonal workers are students or people juggling other summer jobs, so building a flexible schedule early on keeps everyone happy and reduces no-shows. Lastly, do not forget about local labor laws for seasonal or temporary workers, because rules on breaks, minimum age, and pay can change from one town to another, so a quick call to a local labor office before hiring season starts can prevent costly mistakes. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.